Hello students, today we are discussing 10th class mathematics chapter number 11 trigonometry, only important basics. Here this is triangle ABC. This is right angle. Right angle means it's 90 degrees. This is angle A indicating with theta. Here exactly opposite side of theta is known as opposite side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Here AC is hypotenuse, BC is opposite side of angle A, AB is adjacent side of angle A. Here there are two triangles. For angle R, for angle R, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse always opposite to right angle. For angle Y, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Hypotenuse always opposite to right angle. Clear? Here there is a triangle ABC. Opposite is 4 cm, hypotenuse 5 cm, adjacent will be 3 cm. Why? Because these are all Pythagoras numbers. Here for angle C, write the length of hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side for given angle for given triangle. For example, for angle C, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Hypotenuse always opposite to right angle. For angle A, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Right angle is opposite to right angle. Now the topic is trigonometric ratios. Here triangle ABC, sin A, cos A, tan A. Sin A means this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse. Sin A means opposite by hypotenuse, opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A means adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan A means opposite by adjacent, opposite by adjacent. Here another trigonometric ratios opposite means inverse. For example, inverse of sin A is cosecant A. Simply it's written as cosec A, means cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. Also sin A is equals to 1 by cosec A. Means sin A into cosec A equals to 1. Same, inverse of cos A is secant A. Simply it's written as sec A. Also inverse of tan A is it's written as cot A. Sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. Cot A is equals to 1 by tan A. Okay. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. Tan A is equals to sin A by cos A. Cot A is equals to cos A by sin A. Why? Because sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, cos A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. We can write sin A by cos A equals to opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cancel, the remaining product is opposite by adjacent side. Nothing but it is a tan. Another basic is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square.